Perched high above the Swabian Alps, floating like a fortress in the sky, rises Hohenzollern Castle, the ancestral seat of one of Europe's most powerful dynasties and one of Germany's most breathtaking landmarks. The story begins in the 11th century, when the first fortress of the Hohenzollern family stood proudly atop Mount Hohenzollern. Its commanding height made it both a symbol of prestige and an almost impregnable stronghold overlooking key medieval trade routes through southern Germany. That early fortress fell during a regional conflict in 1423, but the Hohenzollerns rebuilt. The second castle, constructed in the mid-1400s, became a major Swabian power center, fortified walls, towers, and a commanding presence that lasted for centuries. By the 18th century, the medieval complex had lost its strategic importance and began to decay. But in the 19th century, everything changed. King Frederick William IV of Prussia, driven by romantic ideals and a deep sense of family heritage, ordered a complete reconstruction of Hohenzollern Castle. The result, completed in 1867, is the spectacular third and present castle, a romantic dream in stone. With its pointed towers, sweeping battlements, grand courtyards, and panoramic viewpoints, it blends neo-Gothic and medieval revival architecture into one dramatic mountaintop masterpiece. The castle's location is as dramatic as its architecture. From the ramparts, the entire Swabian Jura stretches in waves of forested hills, giving the castle its reputation as Germany's castle in the clouds. Today, Hohenzollern Castle remains privately owned by the Hohenzollern family, though open to visitors from around the world. Blending mythic scenery with centuries of European royal history, it stands as one of Germany's most iconic and romantic castles, a monument to lineage, ambition, and imagination.